How to turn on or turn off Debug GPU Overdraw on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Ultra or the Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Options. Next, in here, we scroll down and then tap on Debug GPU Overdraw. Here, if you want to turn it on, you can select Show Overdraw Areas, or you can select Show Areas for Deuter and Normally, or we can switch it off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.